Good morning mga kaswak. We just woke up here on the 22nd floor of San Vida Tower and wow, look at this view. From here I can see the whole city slowly waking up. The buildings, the sea, even SM City Cebu just across the street. Ang ganda. Parang sinasabi ng tanawin na, hey, you made it. Ang sarap ng feeling na bago pa man magsimula ang araw, may moment kang ganito. No noise, no pressure, just light, air, and a quiet kind of joy. The city, the sea, the skyline, parang life. Minsan blurred, minsan magulo, pero pag tiningnan mo from a distance, ang ganda pala. Today, we don't have a solid plan yet, pero that's the beauty of travel. You wake up, look outside, and say, saan kaya ako dadalhin ng araw na to? Thank you, Lord, for the mornings like this, for this view, for this day, for one more chance to explore, eat, laugh, and live. Let's see where this Cebu day takes us, mga kaswak. But first, kape muna. Follow for more.